The next thing I'm going to show you about is picking out instruments. Now, picking out instruments is very important because it just helps your overall sound in the end. Being picky about it is really going to help, like give you a better sound by picking out better sounds to begin with, So on here, within GarageBand, you can use the musical typing in order to hear what you're playing, right? And you can actually switch to different ones. After you record something, you can still change it. So even if I record this, I can always change it after. So even when I bring it back, maybe I'll bring it back to the beginning and set a loop on it. But when I play it, I could always just cycle through the different instruments and change what's going on.